Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra Levon. If you are new here, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope that you stick around. And if you are not new here, then welcome back to the Clique. Alright y'all, so for this video, I'm going to be doing a protective style, and it's going to be goddess mini twists. At least that's what we're going to try to do. I've done goddess mini braids, never tried goddess mini twists. I've only done just like regular mini twists. And it's been a couple years since I last did my mini twists, but I absolutely loved them. And for that one, I actually blow dried my hair first. But this time, we're just gonna work on curly, wet hair because I don't feel like doing all that blow drying. And my hair is longer now, so I feel like it's probably gonna look still pretty long, and if not, we will just stretch it out a little bit with the blow dryer after we do the twist. So right now it's just up in this bun. I've washed and deep conditioned my hair, and so all we have to do now is start the mini twist process. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. I've added literally no product to my hair at all. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my little kimono. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and style my hair in the middle. That's what I did last time, and it worked out pretty well. I was able to still flip my hair side to side and wear it however. So my part is not perfect, but I kind of hate when my part looks super perfect, so I like for it to look kind of natural. So for products, I'm just going to spray my Uncle Funky's Daughter Midnight Train leave-in just all over my hair. And for the actual twist, I'm going to use the Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream. So I'm not going to use any gel for this style. I'm gonna have these mini twists in for at least a couple weeks, so I really don't want any gel or anything heavy on my hair. And so we're just going to use a moisturizing cream only. So I'm just gonna start off by parting my hair from ear to ear. And this is not normally how I section my hair. Usually I section my hair 4 sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that's how I always style my hair usually. But for these mini twists, I really want to make sure that I have full coverage of the twist. And so I really don't want like a harsh part going down my head or anything. So I'm going to do it like this. And it might not be completely perfect, but it feels pretty straight. I'm gonna show y'all. That's what we have. So I'm gonna just put this section back up. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this leave-in all over this back section. Definitely making sure I get it on my ends. So since these are mini twists, my sections are going to be pretty small. I can't really remember how much hair I used last time, but I know it wasn't much hair. So I'm thinking about that big, but I'm gonna try it out first to make sure that that's the right size, because I definitely don't want them to be big. Like, I want them to be pretty small. So we're just gonna take a little bit of the Supercurl and apply it to the entire section. Definitely making sure that I put enough on my ends, because this is a protective style, y'all, and you want to make sure that your hair is fully coated in the moisturizer or whatever product that you are using, because you're not going to be adding any more to your hair. So you want to make sure that it's nice and moisturized while it's twisted. And I'm also going to spray a little bit of water because it's dried out a little bit. And I want to make sure I get that pretty curl. And for this, we're just doing simple 2-strand twists. And I'm going to try to do the goddess thing that I did with my mini braids. My goddess braids, I should say. And what I did with that was I just braided it some, and then I took some hair out and I just like held it in my mouth while I twisted the rest. And then to make it even more goddess, we're going to define the ends of my hair a little bit more. So I'm just gonna add a bunch of cream and twirl. So that's gonna give it that pretty spiral curl at the end that we are looking for, as you can see. And then I'm gonna go back to that piece that we took out, and I'm gonna also add a little bit more cream to that and twirl it as well. And we have our first goddess mini twist. I think that is like super, super cute. I think that's small enough. I don't really want them to be like too small, because then it's gonna take me forever to do this. I have really, really thick and dense hair, y'all, so I think that's pretty good. So let's just move on to the next one. Alright, so the back section is done. This is what it looks like from the back. Pretty cute. So next, we're gonna split it back in half and put this side up. And we're gonna work on this side. So I'm actually gonna split this section in two as well, just to make it easier. And spray our leave-in again. Alright y'all, so I'm almost done with this side, and I am making the twist in the front section smaller than I was doing in the back, because these are the main ones that you see, and so I just want them to be like a little bit fuller in the front. And so basically the sections that I'm doing are like real small. Like, it's giving when you're getting your hair braided and you think you're almost done, but your hair braider keeps splitting that tiny section into two. That's what it's giving right now. Like, yeah. Ooh, it's so cute. Love. Alright, y'all. So my hair is done and I love it so much. Like, oh my gosh, it looks a lot like my goddess braids, but I think I might like this even better. And these are so cute. And I love mini twists because you can wear them in so many different styles. Like, I always love to wear my hair over to the side. And that is just super cute. And of course tomorrow I will do my edges and all of that, but for right now, I'm about to go to bed. So I will be back tomorrow to show y'all the final results. Alright y'all, so this is the next day and I love the way that my hair looks. I just slept in it with like a ponytail holder and a bonnet, and this is the result. So it is a little bit stretched because I slept with it in a ponytail holder, so I'm not going to go in and stretch with the blow dryer. I really like the length, so I'm pretty happy with that. And I went in and I did my edges. I just did a little side part today because that's what I was feeling. But yeah, I love it, and I love how the little curly pieces look. It's just so cute. Alright, so thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. That really helps support the channel and help it spread throughout the YouTube algorithm. So I would really appreciate it. And of course, if you haven't already done so, make sure that you join the Clique by hitting that subscribe button. And I will see y'all next week in my next video. Bye.